Welcome back to the FortiGate Firewall Administration Series. You are watching the third video. I shall show you how check the IP address, configure the ports as WAN ports, configure the SD-WAN, add members to the SD-WAN zone, configure firewall policy to allow LAN users to access the Internet, test the Internet access on a virtual machine in LAN, and finally, monitor the SD-WAN. Let's get started. On Linux, click Show Applications. Type GNS3 in the search bar and click the GNS3 application to launch it. In GNS3 on Windows, choose Open a project from disk, or use the Recent Projects drop-down to load a project. Start the machines by clicking the Start Resume All Nodes icon. Start the test virtual machine as well. On Linux, type Virtual Machine Manager, or VIRT in the application finder and launch it. Select your machine and power it on. Let's return back to GNS3 to address FortiGate firewall tasks. Right-click on the firewall icon to access the console. Log in using the administrator credentials previously configured. Verify the IP address using the command get system interfaces physical. Once you've identified the LAN IP address, open a web browser and log in using the admin account. After logging in successfully, expand the network. Click Interfaces to view ports. Double-click Port 2 to edit. Input a suitable alias like ISP1. From the drop-down, choose WAN as interface role. Change addressing mode to DHCP. Toggle on Retrieve default gateway from the server. Also, override the internal DNS. Allow ping and speed test. Write suitable comments like ISP1 1000 Mbps. Ensure status is enabled. Press OK to save and continue. Now, configure port 3 also. Double-click port 3 to edit. Input a suitable alias like ISP2. From the drop-down, choose WAN as the interface role. Change addressing mode to DHCP. Toggle on Retrieve default gateway from the server. Also, override the internal DNS. Allow ping and speed test. Write suitable comments like ISP to 1000 Mbps. Ensure status is enabled. Press OK to save and continue. To add another SD-WAN member, repeat the steps. Double-click existing virtual WAN link to add another member. Click plus sign to add a member. Click Create. Choose the interface ISP2. Make sure the gateway is dynamic. Set the priority 1. Make sure it is enabled. Press OK to save and continue. Let us configure the firewall policy to allow Internet. Expand Policy and Object, choose Firewall Policy. Click on Create New. Give a suitable name to new policy like WAN Access. Incoming interface equals LAN. Outgoing interface equals virtual WAN link. Source equals all. Destination equals all. Schedule equals always. Services equals web access. Action equals accept. Comments equals Internet for all. Toggle on Enable this policy, press OK. Let us test our SD-WAN using the virtual machine. Open the Virtual Machine Manager. Open the VM. Log in. Open a web browser. Enter a valid site URL like youtube.com. Let's see the status of Firewall. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.